Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert from my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's method is participating in the design contests. Now, this is usually for beginners, but it doesn't have to be, because design contests are usually there to form your portfolio. You're going to participate in these contests to create a perfect solution for those particular clients, and this is really a great way for beginners to understand the design brief, to understand the communication with the client, to understand clients' needs and wants and expectations, and to understand how can they form their future work while working with future clients on this particular experience. Usually designers do this on platforms like 99 Design and Design Crowd, and out of these two, 99 Designs is my go-to because I used to work on 99 Designs way back in the past when they just got started. And the great thing about 99 Designs is they can introduce you to the long-term client through their one-to-one working system. So basically how that works, if you don't win a contest, you can put your design into your portfolio, and then potential clients can go to your profile and see your previous work and your previous portfolio pieces, and they can simply decide to contact you and they can start one-to-one project just with you. So there are no other designers, just you. But to do that you have to create your portfolio by participating in all of these different contests. When you win, that's great, you can put that portfolio piece there as well. And the difference between 99 Designs and Design Crowd is just basically in the amount of work, because as I said, 99 Designs is one of the oldest sites out there, and there is generally much more work there than on the Design Crowd, but there is also much more competition and the prices are a bit higher than on Design Crowd, so you can really decide which one you want to take. There are also other websites out there like Talent House and Yovoto, which don't launch new contests that often, but when they do, they are usually big contests for big companies like Mercedes-Benz, Adidas, Nike and so on. Basically what those companies need from you as a designer are creative solutions to the problems that they have at that particular time. For example, they might not need a logo because they are big and established companies, but they might need, for example, a solution for the social media post, or for a particular campaign that they have at the moment, or a particular TV commercial, let's say, that they are creating. And usually those contests take a lot longer than on 99 Designs and on Design Crowd. So I would really recommend these methods if you're just getting started, if you're building your portfolio, because as I said, the more contests you are competing in, the bigger are chances of you actually winning those contests. And if you don't, you can always put your work into your portfolio, because you are the one who created that work after all. Just make sure that those works are not under NDA, which means non-disclosure agreement, which basically means translated to plain English, you cannot put that work into your portfolio because it's under some kind of an embargo or a secret. So always make sure to check that before you place your work into your portfolio. But once again, design contest sites are a great way for you to earn money, especially when you're getting started, and to form your portfolio if you don't have any portfolio pieces to show. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship, and much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.